Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to show you guys how I make gumbo in a crock pot. Before I get into it, I just wanted to throw a quick disclaimer out there that I am fully aware gumbo is not supposed to be cooked in a crock pot. I'm from Louisiana. I just wanted to give everybody out there an easier alternative that still comes out delicious. I will also put a copy of the recipe at the end of the video for anybody who would like it. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay y'all, so to begin, I start off by slicing my sausage. I use about a pound or so of Hillshire smoked sausage. And then once I'm done with that, I start to prep my crock pot. If you have not tried these liners yet, you definitely should. They make cleanup so much easier. So once I have the liner in, I throw my sausage and chicken in the crock pot. The chicken will shred on its own while it's cooking, so no need to slice it beforehand. I then add in the Creole seasoning. If you don't have access to this in your area, it's no big deal. All you'd need is one large onion, a green bell pepper, and about 3 stalks of celery. And if you do have access to it, as you can see, I just scoop out about 2 big spoonfuls. So next I add about 2 tablespoons of dried parsley. You could use fresh parsley if you prefer. I just personally like the convenience of the dried parsley. And then I'll add about 3 to 4 bay leaves. When the gumbo is done cooking, you'll just make sure to remove the bay leaves before serving. After that, I add 2 tablespoons of kitchen bouquet, or if you don't have that, you could use any browning sauce that you already have. I then sprinkle a generous amount of my favorite Creole seasoning. Like I said earlier, I'm from Louisiana and we like a little spice, but you would use however much you personally prefer. Next, pour in the box of chicken broth and then add your roux. I use about 2 spoonfuls from the jar, but if you don't have roux in a jar where you live, you would just make your own and then add it in. Then the last step is to add any salt or pepper to taste, and you are now officially done. Set your crock pot on low and cook it for about 10 hours. I really hope y'all enjoyed this recipe. If you decide to try it, please make sure you let me know what you thought down in the comments. See y'all in my next video.